Welcome to Lexus of Edmonton, located off 111th Ave and 170th Street. Today we are looking at a 2016 Lexus IS 300 F Sport Series 3 in the color Obsidian. Under the hood, you have a 3.5-liter V6 engine producing 255 horsepower. You have 18-inch alloy wheels and keyless entry into the vehicle. You have an 8-way power driver's seat with black leather interior throughout. On your driver's panel, you have your headlamp washers, blind spot monitors, and automatic rear sunshades. You also have your powered windows, locks, and side mirrors on your door panel. Your F-Sport steering wheel comes with paddle shifters, rain-sensing wipers. You have your Bluetooth and audio controls, and your multi-infotainment display controls. Your screen display in the middle is controlled by your Lexus remote. You have your dual climate controls and audio controls, heated and ventilated front seats and heated steering. You have your mode selector, cup holders, storage space in your center console, and above you have your controls for your sunroof. Heading into the rear seats, you have your cup holders and armrests in the middle. You also have latches on the seats to release them. In the rear trunk, you have plenty of space and a manual closing trunk. So come down to Lexus of Edmonton today, where we will find a vehicle best suited for you.